Welcome back to Cooking with Gerald. On today's episode, I'll be making that delicious sauce for your pizza and your breadsticks. Hey, welcome back to the channel, Cooking with Gerald. On today, I'm making a quick recipe, some homemade pizza sauce. I'm actually making a homemade pizza, so see, I don't have a video for sauce, so let me go ahead and do that. So the ingredients you're going to need is some tomato sauce. Did I say tomatoes? I'm making pizza sauce, yeah. Tomato sauce, extra virgin olive oil, onion, garlic, and you could put usually a lot more garlic than that, but I'm not going to. I have some basil that's from out of my garden that I've dried up, some sugar to cut the acidity from the tomato. This is some all-purpose seasoning, and this is a Italian seasoning, which has basil, oregano, and some other things in there. And if you don't want to use tomato sauce, you can use tomatoes. You can buy the canned tomatoes and squeeze them. Some San Marzano tomatoes are really good. You can just take them and squeeze them or put them in a food processor and blend them down. Or you can add chopped tomatoes. It's pretty much whatever you want to do. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and saute my veggies, and I'll be right back. Also, I have a pepper from out of my garden. I don't even know what kind of pepper this is. I planted so many and kind of mixed them together. But I'm just going to take a few seeds from out of here, not many, because I don't want it really spicy, really hot. But it does add flavor. All right, guys, so I'm back. I have my oil in there, just maybe too hot. And I have my onions and garlic. All right. I'm going to also go ahead and break my pepper up in this too. Like I said, just putting a few seeds in there, not many. And now I'm going to go ahead and add my dry seasonings in there to bloom them so they'll cook before I add the sauce. Put a little toast on them. And then hurry up and get my sauce in because that does have sugar in it. And the sugar will burn really quick. That's why you don't want to be like me. You want to be ready with all your ingredients together, like your tomato sauce. That's one. That's two. And then I'm going to put a little water in there. I'm rinsing out the can. Just another can. So I'm going to let this simmer on low for about 15 minutes or so. just so that it's simmering and not boiling. And then I'll be back to check for seasoning, and we'll pretty much be done. All right, guys, so I'm back. It's actually been about 5 minutes or so. I'm not gonna cook it any longer than that. Some sauces you can make, you don't even have to cook them at all, period, but let me go ahead and check for seasoning. Tastes good to me. And as I said before, the seasoning is going to be to your taste as far as how much you want to add in there. But this is pizza sauce, homemade pizza sauce. And what I'll do is once this cools down, whatever I don't use, I put it in a jar or airtight container and put it in the refrigerator up for like about a month or so. And there you have it. I hope everyone enjoyed the tutorial. For more videos like this, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell at the top right hand corner of the screen so you are notified each time I do upload a new video. And don't forget to share this video and comment below. Let me know how you make yours or if you made this and how it turned out. Until next time, stay safe.